Hello, how is everyone doing? It is your fallen angel back with another video. Today, we are going over cosmic motion and local momentum. But before we get started, feel free to like and subscribe. And without further ado, let us begin. The Earth orbits the Sun at approximately 18.5 miles per second, or 66,600 miles per hour. The solar system is orbiting the center of the Milky Way much faster, and the Milky Way orbits the Magellanic Clouds much faster, and so forth. The hierarchy of velocity increases from the Moon to the Earth, the Milky Way, etc., although these pale into significance relative to the electromagnetic velocity, since movement of force is time relative. In all, the Earth's velocity and polarity relative to the ether continually varies according to its rotation, orbital position, and galactic cycle. When the Sun and the Milky Way's center, for example, it moves slower than when to the outside. As the Earth rotates each day, its polarity of movement through the ether rotates 15.2 degrees per hour. With a rotational surface velocity at the equator of approximately 1,041 miles per hour, this continuous change in polarity is so gradual that it is essentially imperceptible, but probably contributes to modulating the gravity force and may even influence our emotional states. According to W.B. Morton, an increase in the charge of a body increases its virtual mass, which increases the work required to move it by the amount 2e to the second power over 3ac to the second power. This was in correction of J.J. Thomson's figure. Such a case suggests a dynamo consisting of a large, insulated conductive balls on the end of a shaft, which are alternately charged and discharged to alternately increase and decrease their masses, thus rotating the shaft. But this possibility appears to be a fantasy, since the increase in work required to move the ball, in Thomson's theory, is related to an increase in the resistance to the penetration by the ether, caused by the presence of the extra charges, which according to the Faraday created a Faraday cage effect which shuts out the magnetic lines of force. Without the magnetic lines of force, or with suppressed or diminished lines of force, the rotation of the tubes of force by the magnetic field are diminished or stopped, resulting in a diminution or elimination of momentum. Such propositions give ample food for thought. If Tesla had continued to increase the Earth's charges with his gadgetry, he could have thrown the Earth's timing off, slowed it down, and possibly caused it to drift towards the Sun. Being aware of these facts, he later addressed them and even listed them as future technical possibilities, which also corroborated his developments in the field of electropulsion, in case anybody noticed. So guys, this was cosmic motion and local momentum explained, and how Tesla's experiments could have adjusted our ether time space. Feel free to like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, I'd love to read them. Also check us out on Patreon, Rumble, Twitter, Instagram, things of that nature. This has been your Fallen Angel, and I am out.